myself Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal. Today we are going to see about the object-oriented programming topics. Java custom exception. If you are creating own exception, that is known as custom exception or user-defined exception. Java custom exceptions are used to customize the exception according to user method. By the help of custom exception, you can have your own exception and message. The simple example for Java customs exception. Here we use the Java class invalid age exception extends from the extension invalid age exception through invalid age exceptions. Java inner class. Java inner class or nested class is a class which declared inside the class or interfaces. We use inner class to logically group classes, and inner class interface is one place so that it can more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of the outer class including private data members and methods. The syntax of the inner class. Java class of outer class code and Java class of inner class with their code. There are two types of inner class nested classes: non-static nested classes and static nested classes. These are the members of the inner classes. The non-static classes that is created inside the class but outside a method is called as member inner classes. Anonymous inner class. A Java class that have no name is known as anonymous inner classes in Java. It should be used when you have to override methods of a class or interface. Java anonymous inner class can create two types. Java local inner classes. Java class that is created inside a method is called as local inner classes in Java. If you want to invoke the method of local inner classes, you must instance this class inside the method. Streams. A stream is a sequence of data. In Java, a stream is composed of bytes. It's called a stream because it is like a stream of water that continues to flow. Here we have three streams. One is output stream, input stream, and error streams. Output stream. Output stream class is a object class. It is the superclass of an classes, representing an output stream of bytes. An output string accepts output bytes and sends them to some sink. So output stream. In output stream we have file output stream, byte array output stream, filter output stream, piped output stream, object output stream. Normally we use the file output stream and byte array output streams. Useful of the methods of the output stream. Public void write throws IO exception, public void write byte of throws IO exception, public void flush throws IO exception, public void close throws IO exception. Input stream. Input stream class is an abstract class. It is the superclass of an classes representing an input stream of byte. So input stream hierarchy. In input stream, file input stream, byte array input stream, filter input streams, and object input streams. Filter input streams we have the data input stream, buffered input stream, push block input streams. Normally we use the file input stream, byte array input streams, and buffered input streams. These are the methods used in the input stream. First one is public abstract in read of throws IO exception, public int available of throws IO exception, public void close of throw IO exception. And then we go for the file output stream classes. Java file output stream is an output stream used for writing data of a file. If you have to write private values into a file, use file output stream classes. You can write byte oriented as well as the character oriented data through the file output stream classes. This is a simple example for the file output stream classes. File input stream classes. File input stream classes obtain input bytes from file. It is used to reading byte oriented data such as image, data, audio, video, etc. You can also read character stream data, but for reading stream of character is recommended to file read classes. This is a simple example for file input